Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk more about the head and shoulder pattern. This pattern is often considered as the most steadfast of all major reversal patterns. The head and shoulder pattern is employed by novice and experienced traders alike to speculate on both Forex and stock markets. The benefit of this chart pattern is defined areas to set risk levels and profit targets. The inverse or reverse head and shoulder pattern is equally useful in any trader and adopts the same approach as the traditional formation. The head and shoulder stock and forex analysis process will exercise the same logic, which will be explored in this lesson. The first one is, we will define what is head and shoulder pattern. The second one will be, what is the inverse head and shoulder pattern? Third one will be, how to identify head and shoulder patterns on forex and stock markets. Head and shoulder pattern, it's a price reversal pattern that helps traders to identify when a reversal may be underway after a trend has exhausted itself. This reversal signals the end of an uptrend. This means that it's formed mostly in an uptrend. Okay. The head and shoulder pattern has a distinctive appearance resembling its namesake, which includes distinct left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and neckline formation, as depicted by the picture. The second one, let's talk about the inverse head and shoulder pattern. Just a brief about it. The inverse head and shoulder, formally, it's also known as the reverse head and shoulder pattern. Resembles the same structure as the standard formation. The inverse head and shoulder is observable in downtrend. Okay, the other one was observable in uptrend, but this one is observable in downtrend as shown. Let's say, for example, we want to trade or to consider trading head and shoulder patterns. Okay, what do you need, or what are the key points that you should look into so as you can identify these patterns? Okay, recognizing the head and shoulder patterns on both forex and stock charts, it entails the exact same actions, making it versatile tool to include in any trading strategy. The first one is, you identify the overall market trend using price action, technical indicators if need be. But myself, I do purely price action. The second one, you just have to isolate the head and shoulder chart construction. The third one, the distance between the head and shoulder should be as close to equidistant as possible. The last one, delineate the neckline at the low point between both shoulders, preferably horizontal. So you should consider some steps before identifying, before looking into, or before trading these patterns. We're going to look at how we can apply these on our charts. Let's start by analyzing the market, drawing support and resistance. Okay, as you can see here, I have my support here, strong support. this one acts as a support, this one resistance, main support inside, and then there's a resistance line there. So let's see how it goes. We're going to identify one of the head and shoulder pattern that is formed in an uptrend, because this one has been on uptrend for a long time. This one is just only drawn this one to the support level. It came, it touched here and went back to broke this line, came back again to broke it, went back and then broke again, went up. Yeah, so here you can confirm, you can see another pattern here. It can be an inverse head and shoulder. Well, now this is the first shoulder, neckline, head, and then on this side there was another shoulder, but this one wasn't formed perfectly, so I couldn't trade that one. Let's see if we can identify another one. So actually this point, it has confirmed to me that it can be my strong supports. Just go. Yeah, this one still having it here. And this one was a nice one. It was a nice shot. I wish I could have taken this trade, but no worry, I'll take a trade. I'll take it shortly. Let me just wait for another setup. This one can be a nice setup. Yeah, let me see if we can form head and shoulder. Oh, this is great. This is great, my people. This is great. This is nice. This one I'll take a trade here. Let me see if I can take a trade somewhere here. Yeah. Seems to be my neckline. This is the head, first left shoulder, right shoulder, neckline. Okay, so I'll go short. I'll go short here. My entry will be exactly here. Entry point at this line. This is my entry point. This one has confirmed it to me. Let me execute it directly, because the market has just reached that place. Yeah, let me measure my target. Your target should be this distance, the neckline. In this distance you transfer it from this point to here. So my take profit will be here. My TP will be somewhere there. Yeah, let's see how it will be after some few minutes. Let's see if I'm right. Wow, my TP was ahead. Remember, my TP was in somewhere here. Yeah, my TP was ahead nicely. This is my entry point. This one above my neckline, the shoulders, actually the shoulders is my stop loss. Then this is my TP. just hit my TP and reversed back. So guys, seen something. You just have to be careful when trading this pattern. Sometimes it fails. Yeah, as spotted. Yeah, so we've taken this trade. I'm done and I'm out with in that trade. I'm waiting for another setup to see. I'm gonna take a trade here, buy a position, and then my TP, my stop loss will be somewhere here. Yeah. Let me try to check how this one can be. My stop loss will be in somewhere here. I'm targeting that position. Targeting that position. So let's see how it goes. Oh guys, oh TP. Yeah, it has hit my TP. Done. Here. This one just respected this ratio to here. So I'm done. At least gain some pip from this one. This is a nice, it was a nice shot actually. Wow. Let me see if I can spot another entry, then we take a trade. Yeah, here I'm spotting another sell entry. Let's go. Let's see. Nah guys, this one took me out of the market because my stop loss was in somewhere here. It wasn't a nice trade. It wasn't a nice one. So don't worry. We're just in track. Out. Get out. If it goes up to that point, I'm gonna take a trade. Yeah, let me take a sell trade from here, from this place. Long sell position. My take profit, my SL will be exactly at 141. My take profit will be at this point 135. I'm in. I have a strong resistance up there at exactly 141. My entry point will be at exactly 140. Stop loss will be there and my target will be here. Then my open position pending order will be here. Okay, so I'm targeting exactly 135,610. okay, 135,493, 135,610, 135.550, like so. My main target is here at this line. Okay, at this line. Let me change the color so as you can see exactly this red line. So my entry point is at 140 here, 140.023. My SL, it's at 141,426. Then my target point is at this red line. Okay, so I'm in, guys. Let's see how it will be. Results. I'm in pending order. I'm holding it for a long time. My position is open. It's open actually. Oh my. My TP is ahead directly. Wow, it was a perfect one, guys. It was a nice one. It was a nice shot. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this. Thank you so much.